Introducing VitaPost Immune Support, your ultimate everyday dietary supplement to support a healthy immune system. Strengthen your body's defense against illness and embrace a healthier life. In a world filled with constant challenges and stress, it's crucial to keep your immune system strong and resilient. VitaPost Immune Support, the revolutionary solution that empowers you to take charge of your health and well-being. Discover the power of VitaPost Immune Support, expertly formulated with a variety of botanical extracts to nourish your immune system. It combines the best of traditional ingredients and modern advancements in natural science to provide you with a comprehensive solution. VitaPost Immune Support features a wide range of nutritional ingredients carefully selected to enhance your immune health. Experience the benefits of advanced herbal extracts, including Beta-glucans and Arabinogalactan, known for their immune-supporting properties. Give your immune system a boost with the antioxidant support of quercetin, green tea, and vitamins C and E. These powerful antioxidants help fight free radicals and oxidation, supporting your overall well-being. VitaPost Immune Support incorporates natural ingredients backed by scientific research. From the immune-supporting benefits of graviola leaf and mushroom complexes to the antioxidant power of green tea and vitamin E, every ingredient is chosen for its potential to nourish and strengthen your immune system. Take control of your immune health and embrace a life filled with vitality. With VitaPost Immune Support, you can experience the merits of a broad spectrum of antioxidants, herbal extracts, and beneficial ingredients that support your immune system's daily needs. Don't let illness and fatigue hold you back. VitaPost Immune Support is your key to a stronger, healthier, and more vibrant life. Join the countless individuals who have already experienced the transformative power of this groundbreaking supplement. Take the leap towards optimal wellness and unlock your body's true potential with VitaPost Immune Support today. Get your bottle of immune support today and experience the benefits of natural health support. Choose your package below,